Croods, move your car.
God damn, man. Hurry up, get a fire extinguisher.
Well, I ain't getting a fire extinguisher, my man. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Sit. Sit.
Oh, shit. Hey, get a fire extinguisher.
No, this is them.
Fire extinguisher.
Yeah, I'm not getting a fire extinguisher, my man.
Please don't let the car burn up. The car, please.
Bro. Watch him.
Please, the car, man. Get the wallet out the car, please.
How old is he?
We don't know.
How old are you?
Hey, get the wallet out the car.
He has a broken arm and a leg. Someone get your cuffs out.
I can explain everything.
Well, that was stupid.
No, my life was in jeopardy.
From the police?
No,
Oh, okay.
somebody was chasing me.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the police were.
Yeah, somebody was. Okay, I could just broke arm. Just broke arm. It's a ride. God damn, man. My wallet. Get my wallet out the car. Hey, can you please get the wallet? Hey, the wallet. Bro, please do not let the wallet burn up.
I think most of us are on the side. I don't know if that's
Hey, can somebody get the wallet?
Is that going to...
Burning car for a
Bro,
while.
please get the wallet, bro.
What up, dog?
God damn.
Well,
How's it going?
Hey, listen. Do not let the wallet burn up. The wallet is very important.
I can't get in there, man.
Listen,
It's on
without
fire.
the wallet, no, please get that wallet.
Oh, man, have a seat.
Can I get you like something to wipe my face?
Yeah, I'll get some over first. Just back this thing up.
Okay. Just in the bag. Move out of the way.
Let the car burn up.
In this bag. Okay.